Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to buy gold right here on VT markets. And if you want to do this, it's quite simple. We go right here to the MT5 chart and then we go here to search symbol and we search here for XAU US dollar. Then right now we select right here gold to US dollar and then you will find right here the chart of gold to US dollar. Then we select now here on new order and then you will find this page right here. And then we select right here at volume, the volume that we want to buy. So 0.01 is fine. Click on the plus to create yourselves a stop loss and click here on the plus to create yourselves a take profit if you want to do that. And then after that, there's one thing that we need to do because now if you click here on buy market, we created ourselves a nice position of gold right here. So this is how you can buy gold right here on VT markets. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.